Terminator to check out here. Unique Specialty and Classics. 2003 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra convertible. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. 3-owner car only. Adult owned and driven. And I haven't noticed a lot of modifications on this car, which is nice. So first of all, let's start with the stock wheels. And it does have the locking socket for the lug in the center console, FYI. Black top, black exterior. This is a two-tone interior. Of course, underneath the hood, 4.6 liter dual overhead cams, a 32 valve supercharged V8 engine. If you're looking at one of these and purchasing this car, I need to say no more about that. This one has not been cracked open, modified, anything like that. Power steering, power brakes, AC, of course, nicely equipped like a later model sports car. These are getting harder and harder to find that aren't molested, especially with the clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles at just a little over 40,000. You want to check out the still pictures, go ahead and check those out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, it is black. You are going to have a few imperfections up in the front. You might have just a little tiny, chip here or there, but overall, you can see the reflection coming off that paint. Has a nice luster to it. Shows well. All right, let's take a look up and down the passenger side. I've not really noticed it full of nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, these had a power convertible top. This one is black in color. I just threw the boot on here. It's been folded up in the trunk for some time, as you can see, and it's not out in the sun where it gets a little more pliable, soaks up a little heat. Interior, stock radio, stock dash, controls. And you can take a look at the seating area with the suede inserts. You can also see those are nice shape. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We're going to put the top up at the end of the video. Again, power top, and it is working correctly. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see the shine coming off that black paint, reflection of the ceiling. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Of course, these had the independent rear suspension. You'll be able to see that in the underside pics. You did notice there is some kind of tint to the smoking of the rear taillights. So know your local and state laws and if that is applicable or not. Side marker lights also. It's kind of got that murdered out look, if you will. All right, up and down the driver's side. Again, all the way to the front door with the reflection. Whoops, sorry about that. Again, we're going a little crazy. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, door panel. Should be a picture of the data tag, I guess, if you will, the door tag and the still pictures. Take a look at the seats. I mean, yes, you're going to have some natural wrinkling where there's the leather, but overall, not ripped, torn, worn through, and you can see that suede still in nice shape. What you'd expect in a lower mile Cobra that's been taken care of. Again, a little over 40,000 on it. Start it up, let's hear it run. All right, there you go. What, 40,082? 821. 40,821. So there's your exact miles. Just the seatbelt warning indicator. All the other gauges working. Dash, good shape. You can tell this car was stored indoors. So AM, FM, CD. Let's play around with this radio a second here. Working fine. Traction control, fog lights. Getting 6-speed manual. Power top button is in the center console. back. So you hear this run, nice throaty exhaust on it. Sounds like it may have been opened up to breathe a little bit better. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, slip up to the front. I'm going to pop the hood, check out the engine bay. I'll take a peek at that top, wrap this video up. Alright, on the side of the hood, all this car has not been driven in inclement weather, and the rear wheel drive. Most are stored during the cold months. There it is. Dual overhead cam, V8, supercharged. Now, a couple mods, cold air intake and exhaust, it looks like. That's about it. JLT, cold air intake, tastefully done. Of course, the SVT badging with the hand-built 4.6 liters. Nice, clean, straight car. Tougher to find these unmolested, like I mentioned earlier. All right, I'm gonna pause this one last time, put that top up so we can take a peek at that.
Today we have a 2003 Ford Mustang Cobra convertible. I'm going for a drive. Sweet exhaust note. Radio works good. From the convertible top. Pretty typical. Car handles really good. Our oil pressure is about 3/4 on the gauge. Temperature is just starting to come up. It's at 1/4 on the gauge. I do feel like I have a wheel out of balance on the right side. Go straight down the road. Brakes work good, brakes straight. Our wipers work.
Here it is with the top up. Quick, let you take a peek at this. Along the top of the windshield, black fabric. Again, power works as it should. Side window spit to fine. Rear glass window, rear defogger. It's what you'd expect. This top has probably been down more than it's been up on this car. No wear marks, no holes, rips, tears. There you go. You're looking for a Terminator. 2003 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra convertible, clean Carfax, 3-owner, a little over 40,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in right now.